Hey everybody, what's going on? This is my first custom keyboard video, and I hope you guys enjoy. To start, I don't want to go into specs, switches, case, nothing. I want us to reminisce about how good this board once looked. Because we can slap that shit out here. Look at how ugly this thing is, dude. It's like a dog shat on it 15 times, dude. Profiles are all fucked up. Yeah, this board's almost done. But it's fine though, because I am working on a new GK61 build. But I just haven't got the switches yet. When I do receive the switches, I will be making a video constructing it. If you would like to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. Next, we're going to talk about the base of the board. The base of the board is a Keeming Snowfox. It's pretty simple. Bluetooth 60%. It has 3-pin hot swap, and this was my first 60%, so I really wanted to make it as good as I could. Also, as you can see, I'm putting in the KO Box Jades, which are a clicky switch, and they are my favorite switch at the moment. I am getting Durock Lavender Linear switches, so maybe my opinion will change, but time will tell. I'm sure everybody's waiting for it, so I'll do a sound test, and I'll head out. Peace. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, you could check out any other of my socials. I will be streaming almost every day, and I will stream the GK61 build if you'd like to be there. Peace.